story changed since I first started. They wrote me off, it should've left me broken hearted. Brushed them off and I said screw it, I'll work until they can't ignore it. Used to laugh at me but ask them who they wanted more of. Yeah, lately dreams just came to life. My critics having nightmares, this could happen overnight. Work ethic from my perspective, you can't step into my mind. Wrote 2 songs before the sun came up, please don't say you grind, no. While they got drunk, I studied all the greats. And artists I looked up to saying I tear down the stage. They got beef with me from jealousy, I'm claiming back my state. I am 20 on some shit that you won't get by 28. I turn my passions into actions. Remember days when they said none of this would happen. I kept on moving, kept my head down, I stay focused. I was waiting for them all to come around, but now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me.
Oh, you loving me, now you want my company. Fuck me, oh, it's fuck you too.
Now they finally fuck with me.
At the DoubleTree, celebrate with bubbly. It's all changing suddenly. Now they finally fuck with me. Everybody wanna live big though, cars in the covers of the magazines. How you finna whip in the Benzo? You ain't got money for the gasoline. All look good till it hit the fan. I hit the fans online cause my shit's the man. And split the bands and man since they lift the band. I smoke Cubans and scroll through my Instagram. Man, I feel like red eye back. I would kill to take hours back, but you can't dwell on that hourglass. All my homies smoke Sour Patch. I don't smoke weed cause I think too much. I drink too much and girl you just cling too much. Know it's my fault when I fall behind. Can you pick me up if I sing too much?
I turn my passions into actions. Remember days when they said none of this would happen. I kept on moving, kept my head down, I stay focused. I was waiting for them all to come around, but now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me. No one used to play my shit. No one used to go to my shows. And now they finally do. Yeah. I turn my passions into actions. Remember days when they said none of this would happen. I kept on moving, kept my head down, I stay focused. I was waiting for them all to come around, but now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah. Now they finally fuck with me. Yeah, yeah.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call, I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining, getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging.
I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat, I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They been quiet all alone, they gon' notice when I'm gone.
I come from a town why most of the people are so close-minded. They go into school and they work in a job, but they don't even like it. I won't be put in a box. Nobody telling me what I should rock. Nobody telling me what I should drop. Cause I do what I want and just know I don't stop. Recording till 4 in the morning, they snoring. I'm pouring my soul into every story. I'm writing, producing, I mix it, I master. I'm building my craft and I'm not looking back. I've been going doing things I wanna do when I want to. Everybody wanna get away, but they not do. Everybody wanna copy you, but they not you. Everybody wanna be cool, but they not new. Whoa, look how I go. Gonna be a dentist, I still got the flow. Never gonna lose cause I'm still doing both.
The lights down low, moon bright, sipping on skin liquor, thicker. Pour it in my cup like the fucking Big Dipper. Do you like it with the lights down low? They gotta pour a little quicker, quicker. Maybe I sleep, I'm falling overboard. Oh, oh, I've been up 2 nights crashing on your floor. Something tells me that I'll never leave you. No good to me, I'm on my knees, boy, but I still say please. Around you, so
Just desperados with no destination, no history, no list of friends, no reputation. Just a wanderlust, casting spells with the wanderlust. Oh, they love to watch us burn, but they would hate to be one of us. Cause we are the only thing keeping us warm, but we'll eventually freeze. From feeling the heat when we touch, to seeing the breath that we breathe. And we can't replay all these moments, once we're resting in peace. There's no second chances for you, there's no resurrection for me. We don't waste time on the things we can't control. Yeah, all my friends are fuck ups. I don't be with fancy folks, putting poison in our bodies.